trying to be so good. Come on, sing with me. They'll stone you just like they said they would. They'll stone you when you're trying to go home. And they'll stone you when you're here all alone. It's 420, ladies and gentlemen. Why wouldn't I feel so all alone? Everybody must get stoned, alright. That's right, that's right. Everybody must get stoned, and they'll stone you when you're at the breakfast table. And they'll stone you when you were young and able. And they'll stone you when you're trying to make a buck. Yeah, then they'll stone you, and then they'll say, well, good luck. But I would not feel small alone. Help me out there. They'll stone you and say that it's the end. Then they'll stone you and then they'll come back again. They'll stone you when you're riding in your car. They'll stone you when Chris is playing his guitar. But wouldn't I feel so all alone? Everybody must get stoned. Hit me, Chris, come on. They're wasted. You can play guitar, come on. Well, they'll stone you when you're at Rich's birthday party. Then they'll stone you when he's still trying to pretend he's 40. And they'll stone you and then they'll tell you it's funny. And they'll stone you, especially on 420. But wouldn't I feel so all alone? Everybody must get stoned. Well, they'll stone you when you're playing at McHugh's. They'll stone you when you're trying to sing the blues. Well, they'll stone you when you're laying down the beach. And they'll stone you when you're jamming with country. But I would not feel so all alone. Everybody must get stoned. Everybody must get stoned. You know, everybody must get stoned. Everybody must get stoned. Everybody must get stoned. When I feel so all alone. Everybody must get stoned. But when I feel so all alone. Everybody must get stoned. Happy 420, everybody. Happy birthday, Rich.